What you cooking, Roch?
Whatcha, Cookin, Roch.
All right, y'all. Y'all already know this egg, cheese, Canadian bacon muffin sandwich is not going to cook itself. All right, so let's get started. Okay, you saw. I just showed you those muffins, all right? Now we got this Canadian bacon. I don't know why they're calling it Canadian bacon. It looks like ham strips to me. All right, so we got a craft American cheese, and we got our unsalted butter. All right, y'all. Now, I got that old fancy ring that I'm going to use to cook my eggs with. Got a toaster. All right, so let's go. Now, we're going to start with this ham, okay? First, we're going to get some little butter put up in there. All right, there you go. We're going to get these muffins toasted. Now, y'all, please subscribe if y'all new to my channel. And please leave a comment, okay? So, we got that butter over here melted, you see. Now, let's get these old fancy, a.k.a. Canadian bacon fried up over here. I got to find out why they call this ham bacon. All right, now those muffins have toasted. We're going to put the butter on there. And we're going to put the top on there so they can melt while we're getting these eggs together, okay? So you see what I did? I put a little butter in there. Yeah, I got butter and everything. I put a little egg in there. Oh, great. It's already, yolk is popped. You want to bust that if it's not. And you're going to season it with a little salt and pepper. All right, now here we go. We're almost done. Ta-da! Perfect, all right? Now I got to flip it over. Me, I prefer it to be a little runny, all right? But the folks here need theirs a little more cooked and hard. All right, so you see what I did. I put that one on top of the cheese. Now, as you can see, I'm not using one piece. I'm using three, all right? Not like the competitors, because that's how you make your own sandwich, okay? Now, this egg, cheese, Canadian bacon muffin sandwich is fire, all right? So make sure you click on the icon up to your right there so you can check out my other bomb breakfast sandwiches, okay? Now, thanks for watching, y'all. Please subscribe. And always remember, you only live once. Enjoy life.